Hi, beautiful friends, welcome. This is a somatics practice. We're gonna go into the upper body, the lats, the lower back, a lot of lower back and hips today, and free up lots of tension, not only physically, but emotionally and mentally. I'm not using any props today. This is a wonderful way to connect into your body and reset your vibration, your energy, your emotions, and your nervous system. I'm Rebecca, and let's begin. Crisscross your legs or sit in Sukhasana and side bend your right ear towards your right shoulder. Take your right arm down in towards the earth. Now just slide your arm down, the left arm comes up. Pause. Come on up. Think of yourself as really, really, really soft in the body, really soft. Just slide down. And I invite you again to think about where you're holding on, what you're holding on to. Slide down, stay here on this one, and gently gaze down and find rotation up. And gaze down and find rotation. One more time, come on up. And take that left arm behind your head. Pause. Can you soften in the shoulders and the eyes and the tongue? Can you let your body get heavy into the earth? Just in the shape, just for a moment. Just surrender. Release that hand down. Support your temple, come all the way back up to sit. And gently look from side to side. Moving on to the left side, first take your hands out and rinse out those wrists. Close your eyes. Reverse. Sinuses, jaw, all sorts of different sensations might surface. Left arm comes down, slide it gently, and side bend through your head. Again, feeling yourself heavy, heavy, soft. Straight. We're opening up through the lats for those of us that sit quite a bit. Let's stay here for a moment and gently guide that chin down and then up. If that rotation's there today, looking for some new mobility or renewed mobility. No expectations, just notice. So let's stay up. Stay there, and then reach through that arm. Take the hand behind your head and open. Creating lots of space through the pecs and also through the connective tissue, through the lats. Feel your hips get heavy. Nerves through your face, your arms, your jaw, your eyes. Reach that arm out nice and long. Slowly come on up. Support your head. Look from side to side. And then take your peace fingers, make little bent knuckles, and gently massage towards the temples. Add some pressure, and if you find a little sweet spot, just pause there for a moment. Once again, an invitation to your body to see if it can let go. Letting go of patterns, of habits in the body. And gently release. Bring your hands to your heart, my friends, pausing with gratitude. Bring your hands up to your third eye. Om Shanti, 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 Namaste, 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 beautiful friends. I hope you feel renewed and refreshed, and you're feeling better soon. Namaste. If you're interested, check out my other playlists or my weekly calendar if you want to join me regularly. Thank you, and namaste.